Hello and welcome to the TMC Newsroom. My name is Rich Tehrani. Thanks for watching. We are coming to you from San Jose today. On our program is Artie Chang, who is the president and CEO of Panterra Networks. Artie, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thanks for being here.
I appreciate it.
So why don't we start off by talking about what Panterra Networks does?
So Panterra Networks is a new kind of telecommunications company that delivers a cloud-based unified communications service. So it combines all of your communications, whether it be voice, video, conferencing, messaging, faxing, desktop sharing, all your collaboration services, all into an easy-to-use package or service that's delivered completely from the cloud.
Great. How long have you been doing that?
Well, the company started in 2001, but for the first 5 years we were really in stealth mode because putting all those services together is really difficult to do. It may sound easy, each individual, but really making it user-friendly and fully scalable and reliable and delivered from the cloud, that's the tough part. So we started actually delivering the product in 2007. For the last 3 years we've been delivering the product, and we're really excited about where it's come and the number of customers we've got and where we're going.
Doesn't it seem like now is a sweet spot with collaboration, unified communications, cloud, wireless, all of those becoming hot button issues and getting so much attention that now you're right in the intersection of all of that? I mean, the last couple of years, have they been very interesting?
They have. They have. I think, you know, the interesting thing is way back in 2001, no one talked about cloud. Nobody talked about deploying services.
Well, we called it ASP.
ASP,
and
absolutely.
we talked about it a lot, and then we stopped
right
after all the companies were gone.
Absolutely, absolutely. and then along came a little company called Salesforce and kind of regenerated the term. And with the ubiquitous nature of the internet now and the ability to actually deliver reliable services through IP transports, unified communications really has the infrastructure now to be deployed from the cloud. So you're right, it's an exciting time, and we think Panterra Networks is right in the nexus of that opportunity.
Now, in terms of your typical customer size, what do you see?
We target very specifically the small and medium enterprise. These are enterprises that don't have large IT staff. In fact, they may not have any IT staff. It may be part of a particular owner or part of a COO that's inside the company. And in fact, even within the SMB space, we really target multi-location businesses. So I'll give you two examples. On the big side, it's companies such as Sylvan Learning Center that have 1,200 locations, close to over 5,000 employees, but each location looks like a little SMB with virtually no IT support. And on the other side, you might have a company that's a boutique brokerage firm that might have 3 locations, East Coast, Central, and West Coast. Maybe they have 500 employees. Each location has 100 users. And so in both of those cases, you have very limited IT staff, and you have challenges of how you connect all these users. And that's where we come in.
So in terms of customer feedback, what sorts of things are you hearing? So I would think in that particular situation, you're hearing good things because you're helping solve problems. But if you can give me an overview of what customers are saying, are they saving money? Are they happy they don't have to deal with the installs of traditional CPE systems? Share.
Yeah, there's really a couple pain points. The first pain point actually is the issue of being competitive. In today's world, what we find is companies are determining that the company that can respond the fastest gets the business. Sure. And when you only have voice, let's say, and when people being so mobile, what do? You get voicemail. So you play phone tag. If you only have email, then you play email tag. If you only have sneakers, then you get sneaker tag, right? So what you find is that to really be competitive in this world, you have to have all the channels of communication at your fingertips, which is what Panterra and Unified Communications brings. So the first pain point customers tell us is, make me competitive, make me have the ability to respond to my customers fast. The second pain point is exactly what you mentioned, which is because we target SMBs, they don't have an IT staff. So they say, well, I don't know how you implement this stuff, and I don't like buying equipment, especially in the last couple of years with capital being really hard to come by, capital lease lines being really hard to come by. They say, give me a solution that allows me to be flexible both for growth and unfortunately for decline. I need a solution that's flexible, a solution that doesn't require a lot of capital up front, a solution that allows me to deploy no matter where my employees are. And that's what Unified Communications and Panterra's WorldSmart solution does. So that's the second pain point. And so there's a number of these pain points, the third one being customer satisfaction. Today's world is so competitive. Once you get a customer, how do you keep a customer? And if you think about it, when your phone breaks, what do? You probably call an 800 number, and you might sit in that call queue for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you start to fume. You get frustrated. And what you have an option to do is move to another vendor. With our system, you can get an instant message, you can get a phone call, you can get a fax, you can get an email, you can get a desktop share. You will have higher levels of customer satisfaction.
And what was your background before doing what you're doing now?
I have been in the high-tech world for virtually all of my life, both on the technical side as well as on the business side. I've enjoyed it tremendously, the opportunity to create things, whether they're products that you sell or this new world of software as a service, where you're actually delivering a service. What's really exciting about software as a service is that we earn your business every month.
Sure.
You have an opportunity to go somewhere else. It keeps us on our toes. We've got to deliver more than just a product. We've got to deliver service.
Now, in our final 30 seconds, what's next?
We've got a really exciting product coming out. It's a product that allows a current customer of ours to interact with their customers in a much tighter way. It's called TryUC, and it allows you for free to give out a WorldSmart client to your customers, and for free they can connect and interact with you in a much faster way. That makes you more competitive, it makes them more competitive. And then obviously, in a viral marketing way, they might want to actually offer it to their customers and clients. And so we get to spread unified communications in a much more viral way.
Okay.
And that's really what's exciting.
And it rhymes, TryUC for free.
That's right.
I like
Instantly.
I like it. I like it. It's good stuff. Thanks and good luck.
All right. I appreciate it, Rich.